The educational journey starts with small footsteps, excited laughter echoing through the hallways, minds full of wonder, and hearts full of possibility. From the very first day, we carry something special within us, a spark that makes us Wildcats. As we grow, so does the world around us. We find mentors, friends, and dreams that reach far beyond the classroom. We learn together, face challenges side by side, and celebrate moments both big and small. This is where resilience grows, engagement flourishes, and academics take root together. Two journeys met on the football field. With every step towards the center, students were reminded that greatness is not achieved alone. We passed the torch, and with it, the promise that once a Wildcat, always a Wildcat. The diploma passed from the seniors to kindergartners is more than just paper. It's a symbol of pride, tradition, and unity. It connects those just beginning their journey to the ones that have paved the way. It reminds us that excellence is a lifelong pursuit, and every Wildcat, both young and old, makes this family stronger. We come together to celebrate milestones and memories, to honor the places we've been and the places we're going. Our journey is about more than a single moment. It's about growing resilience, engaging in every learning experience, and striving for academic excellence side by side. No matter where the road leads, our story continues. Because here, in the town of Jasper, Indiana, we are Wildcats, connected across generations, bound by tradition, and committed to lifelong success.